Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to resolve the Boolean value is not recognized error in Snowflake. This is the third video from Snowflake Common Errors playlist. Let me set the context info for my session. Here what I'm going to do, I have a customer table. From that customer table, I'm trying to query the data from this table by using the different variable classes. Please note that here I am using the very less, with the one table and three where conditions. In real time, you may have a big query, like a very complex query where you may have different tables are being used and many where classes. So this could be a select query or insert query, any anything like merge query, something like that. So here I am just simply to explain this error, I am using the simple query. So let me run this query, retrieve the data. See, we got the error, boolean value h is not recognized. Boolean value h is not recognized. So here I am using the only one table. Now again, let me I execute the another query, select star from customer where nation key equal to 8 and c segment is not null or c account val and c name like this is the query. So here also we are getting error here. So this is no issue, but here we are getting the error. Now what I'm going to do, let me describe the table, customer table. Do you have any boolean columns are present in this table? If you see describe the table, then here we don't have any boolean data types, columns with the columns with the data type as boolean. We don't have anything. Still we are getting the error even though if you don't have any. So boolean value h is not recognized value we are getting. See, reason is this is this type of error in this case, particularly while writing the query or inserting the data from one table to another table where the destination table may not having the boolean column, but we may get these type of errors because of by accidentally or mistakenly we may write the query in the wrong way. Like here what I wantedly did the mistake here, see here c underscore segment household w and furniture, if it is furniture is null. Here I wantedly missed the comparison condition. I just used the is, my intention is not null, this is the or is null, this is the my condition, but by mistakenly I didn't specify this one. So this is the, here only we have a two conditions so that it would be easy to identify the these type of code missing things. But if you have a hundred, 100 lines of insert statement or select query with the different multiple tables and multiple where conditions, okay, where we have some comments like that, unwanted code you might have commented. So with that it would be very difficult to recognize this. Reason why this error is misleading us because of we are not using any, we don't have any columns. Also sometimes we may not have a columns, boolean columns where we are using the tables as part of your query. So that's why this is the case, maximum case. Here we will get this type of error. Now let me execute the same query after adding is null proper condition. So here we are getting actual value. This is how we are going to resolve this error. See, in the second query also, here I didn't use anything. However, here inside this column all numbers are there, so that in Snowflake numbers can be converted into either, boolean. It could be a true or false, that is depending on the number. Okay, That's why we didn't get error here. But especially if you have any character string or unwanted string which Snowflake cannot convert that value into boolean, then we'll get this type of error. This is the first case. The another case is the it's general. I mean, it would be easy to identify this one. So let me, I am going to use the customer to table. Okay, and then there is a data, a customer to table, it is empty right now. And then we have a stage table. With this stage table has created with all the columns with the data type as the varchar. And in real time we do insert the data from staging to or loading table to our main table. So here insert into customer underscore to select star from stage underscore customer. For simplicity here I didn't mention the all the columns. In real time we have to mention the all the columns. I mean, why? In future if some columns may add, I mean some columns is going to add to the this table, then again if you don't want that columns, then by using the star we will get those columns also. So to avoid that type of things, you we always use the columns while inserting into from one table to another table. So here I am trying to insert the data from stage to customer to table. So yeah, boolean value 7x is not recognized. So let me see the in the target table what are the boolean columns, because in the source table, as I said that all the columns data type is varchar. So here we need to check the destination target table columns data type. So to get that one, select a column name from information underscore schema dot columns is the view metadata to get the metadata information, where table name is equal to customer underscore to and data type is equal to boolean. So if we have any columns, we'll get. So is active, is DOB verified. So the customer is active or inactive. If it is true, active. Is date of birth verified or not? Just explain this. Okay, this error I created these columns. Now how we are going to, we have identified two columns. So now select star from stage table where try to number. We have to identify the error, because this table stage underscore table having around 1,50,000 records. So it would be very difficult to identify the in which column it is having the invalid value. So to identify that, we have to use the try to boolean function. This try to boolean function always takes the input as the number, sorry, varchar data type string, basically input as a string, and it will convert. If it is able to convert that value into boolean, then returns the actual value. If it is not able to convert, during the conversion, if is there any error, instead of throwing the error, it returns null value. So now let me apply the try to boolean function. This is the problem. We have a problem with the this record only out of 1,50,000. Here see, is active, there is a 7x, and is DOB verified is the false. False is the Snowflake will accept the boolean value as false. So but here 7x, any number can accept whether it is true or false, but 7x where r is not at all acceptable. So this is the problem with record. Now what I am going to do, I simply I am going to remove that data, that row, by using the same, instead of select statement here I am using the delete statement. So if I run the delete statement, number of rows deleted 1. Now I can insert the data into customers table from stage customer to table. See, these many records have been inserted into our base or main table. If you want, you can insert, before deleting that record, you can insert that error record into error table if you have it. If you like this video, please subscribe, like it, and share it to your friends. Thank you.